All right, everybody. This is from a pal, Mr. Minshaw. He's got two boxes here of Bowman Chrome. He's got 2011, 2012. It's good product for Harper hunting, especially the 2011. 2012, he's rare, but he's in there. 2011, he's not short printed. There are short printed autos. He's just not one of them. So anyway, for Mr. Minshaw, let's see what we can pull for him. Come on. Wow, these packs are everywhere. Alright. Then let's see if we got a hot box here. 2012. All right, sir. Off and running. Eduardo Nunez refractor. He's going to be in the chat room later. Probably. Usually. Not always, but sometimes. It's always cool to have a baseball player guy. Mike Montgomery. Brandon Schneider. Mike Montgomery's a Ray. Yeah, I would use Overnight Express. I know it's an extra $15, but you know, I'd just use it. Now, priority mail might get them there in time anyway, you know, but I would personally, when I send my labels, I'm sending them Overnight Express. Oswaldo Arcia. It also makes me a little bit more comfortable for later on, you know, to know that I did everything I could to get your labels in on time. But I think we're going to be fine. Devin Mesoraco, I think we'll be okay. So. Ubaldo Jimenez. Jacob Turner. Tyler Skaggs. Drew Cashner refractor. Whoa. Easy there, Paul Konerko. Any Paul Konerkos? Yeah, he went a little crazy. Matt Moore, nice card. Bryce Harper. He went a little crazy in a thread because he was selling that Nathan Eovaldi. What? He's a Dodger. He was selling that orange Cingrani, and I guess some people were giving him a hard time, saying he didn't have it in hand, which he did, but he didn't. He posted that he pulled it in a break and didn't say that it had already arrived and he already had it. So people just assumed that he was selling a card he didn't have in hand, and then he didn't have a picture up, and you know, it's just little simple things. But you know how blowout gets, and so he started to give it back to him, and then he posted a thread, and then people started following him around, and he just started calling him names and stuff. Next thing you know, they just banned him. They were probably like, yeah, we're good. Yeah, actually, the what I want is an express overnight bubble mailer envelope. It's the same price, but if you can get the bubble mailer, that's what I'm actually going to use. So, Corey Riordan, refractor, that's the 500. It'll be $19.95. You might get a little bit of a discount buying it online. You know, they might give you like $1 off or something like that. Jonathan Singleton. And just make sure the return address is the address you want to use. And if you want to, go ahead and put a note you want me to put in there with it. You know, basically what I just say is, here are my 240 packs. For 10 Blue Wave packs. Thank you, and then I just put the return address in real big bold type. But we haven't had any trouble, so it should work out good. Yep, that's where I get them. And I've already got them. I got them in advance, so they're just sitting here. I mean, you don't have to use bubble mailers, but they're bubble mailer. But I've got them here, so that's what I'm going to use. I actually don't have any of the other express flat rates. Oosh, what's up, Oosh? And Hoos. Did you guys notice that Oosh and Hoos both arrived at the same time? Almost like they were at dinner, and then they just showed up. Huh? Anybody notice that? It was all like, let's not go in at the same time. People will suspect. Oh, that's a nice auto. Jose Campos, refractor auto to 500. So you should have another auto in here on top of that. 193. 193 out of 500 on the Jose Campos. It's a nice hit. Nice auto, too. It looks well-centered. You know how these can be brutal. So I think that's probably a strong 9.5 candidate right there. And an Alexi Ogando blue refractor. Michael Kudayer. Oh, that's a nice one. He just got called up. Marcell Ozuna. Marcell Ozuna base auto, just promoted to the Marlins. Marcell Ozuna. So, like, the best time to sell is right now. He'll never be more valuable than he is right now. That's true on 99% of players. Danny Holtzen. Nolan Arenado. Purple Drew Leachman. 158 out of 199. Little old Jorge Soler. All right, smartasses. Mike Trout refractor. You can sell that on Check Out My Cards for $1. Huh? Actually, you can probably sell the base for $1. Daniel Bard refractor. All right, Mr. Minshall, you did pretty good. That first box sucked. But Mike Trout, Drew Leachman, Marcell Ozuna with his Marlins demotion, I guess. He was demoted to the Marlins. Alexi Ogando, blue refractor. Come on. Jose Campos to 500. That is 193 out of 500, to be exact. Madison Bumgarner, Nathan Eovaldi. Wow, wow. And a little old feller I like to call Bruce Herper. So, yeah. So, new today, guys. The only thing I got new today is 2012 Bowman Chrome. I need to put in a new order, but, I mean, by the time I get it, 2013 Bowman's going to be out. So, I mean, I'm kind of like, I'm thinking maybe we ought to just stick to what we have and sell that out, and then do the whole 2013 Bowman thing. Mr. Minshall, come on. All right, Green, are you on a computer? All right, guys. Let's see what else we got going on around these parts. Uh-oh, Carnage. Wow, Carnage. Carnage says, go big or go home. All right, Carnage, are you in the chat room? Where are you at? Nope, but you're probably watching. You're probably watching somewhere. All right. Let's do 2 different videos. We'll do 2 boxes each. This is from a pal, Carnage. He hit a blue refractor of Harper a couple cases ago in this. Let's see if we can get him another one, huh? Oh, there he is. There he is. All right, guys. Oh, wow, I still got the other